Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. I did not do the KZ ZS10 Pro unboxing on camera, so this is it. This is not an unboxing. This is the box it comes in, the KZ ZS10 Pro, and this is the headphone. I got the gold version, and I have put the foam ear tips of KZ, which I love, and then same typical cable which comes with all KZs with in-ear mic. Perfectly fine. I have no issues with the cable, except it does get entangled very easily. So these are the KZ ZS-N Pros. If you've seen the review of the KZ AST, then I have specifically said that you should go for these instead of the ASTs. If you don't have the budget, you don't need to buy the ASTs at all. These sound very good. There was one more thing which I said in that video, is these are having incredible wide sound stage, which none of the other KZs which I have the kind of sound stage which this one has. So this is the AS10, good sound stage but not as good. Then the CCA C12s, good sound stage but not as good. And the AST, the best of KZ, but still not as good as this. For soundstage, soundstage means when you are listening to an orchestra and there are instruments from your left to the right, extreme, widest angle possible, then this gives the most extreme widest angle than any of the other KZs. This is the cheapest one, and in that video I had said that you can go for the KZ ZS-N Pro. I had also said that there is a KZ ZS-N Pro X available, but I don't know the sound. But now I know that the ZS-N Pros sound slightly better than the ZS-N Pro X. So avoid the X, go for the ZS-N Pros. These are much better sounding than those. Also, these are cheaper than the X model, so you should go for these if these are available, and I think these are available. Directly buy from eBay, you will get them. Now the ZS-10 Pros are extremely fun sounding, so I mean these were having fun, these are having more fun. I mean, I will not stop giggling when I'm listening to sound with these. Music is beautiful, movies nice, orchestra, rock, pop, everything is beautiful with this. Even Indian classical music sounds good with the ZS-10 Pro which I listen to. This is the best choice amongst all of them. Hard to imagine. I feel they just beat the ZS-N Pro very slightly. So still, if you think that you don't want to invest in these, you can still go with these because they are almost the same. Sound wise, of course there is a huge driver difference. 4 drivers, BA drivers, single BA driver, and one dynamic and one dynamic. So difference is there. If you don't need these, then you can definitely still go for these. You don't need to buy any of those. Those are expensive and not required. This or this. My recommendation is this, but if you have the budget, you can go for these. And these are not costly. These are say 3,500 rupees. I know these are Chi-Fis, so these are Chinese, and we don't know how far they last, and you're spending 3,500 rupees. So you should not spend on these, and you should spend on a branded stuff, so you get warranty and all. But you get warranty on these as well. These AS10s, these are Chi-Fi also. These are the same KZs. I bought these in 2017 and they're still sounding perfectly fine. There is no error in the sound. There is no problem. I forgot the unboxing. So this has been a review of the ZS-10 Pros. Fantastic sound. They beat any of these KZs, even these. So if you have the budget, go for these. You can buy 2 of these or even 3 of these. Yeah, you can buy 3 of these at the price of 1 of this. So guys, if you like this kind of a review in which I compare with other IEMs and then I can give you the honest opinion about the IEM, then hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.